You say you can eat it. I'm gonna try it. Ella is known for its misty mountains, epic train rides, and endless emerald tea plantations. Most tourists and travellers rush in by train to capture those famous postcard-perfect views. But we did it differently. We decided to travel by driving a tuk-tuk, giving us the freedom to truly discover every hidden corners of the region, connect with the locals and soak up the culture. And let us tell you, besides its undeniable beauty, Ella actually threw us some serious curveballs and unexpected surprises. Some incredible, some, well, you'll see. Hey, I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Tan, a bar manager.
And bridal designer turned full-time travellers.
We left the hustle culture behind. It just wasn't for us.
Join us on our travels as we share helpful tips and search for the most livable city for our new lifestyle.
That's cool, huh? Alright, we are here in Ella, and this is our accommodation, the glorious Nature Inn. Let me show you our room. I think Kathleen is downstairs waiting for us.
I'll show you our accommodation for 3 nights in Ella. Found this on booking.com. There's actually quite a lot of homestays in Sri Lanka and a lot of them are on bookings. Otherwise, you just find them on Google Maps and then just book with them. It's quite a basic room, nothing fancy. This is probably one of the most basic accommodations we booked during our trip in Sri Lanka. I booked it because, I mean, you can see the room is massive, but I booked it because they have really good reviews about their breakfast and this. It is called Glorious Nature Inn because this.
So let's talk about our very first surprise in Ella. And honestly, it was a bit of a curveball. Our accommodation. The location was fantastic and the view was absolutely breathtaking from our balcony.
But we quickly started to notice something else, an issue with high humidity and mold. The air inside just felt damp and there was that distinct musty smell. This was due to lack of proper ventilation and those low clouds rolling in every evening.
It actually got pretty serious for Kathleen. She started having trouble breathing and developed a really bad cough. It was a short stay, and as soon as we left, Kathleen's coughing issues improved.
So a crucial travel tip for Ella. When you're choosing your accommodation, try to check reviews for mentions of dampness and mold or ask about ventilation. It can really make a difference to your comfort and your health.
But with that lesson learned, we were not going to let anything stop us from exploring the true beauty of Ella. First up, we took a short hike up Little Adams Peak.
Jesus, are you supposed to be up here?
Don't know.
I don't know if you're supposed to be up here, babe. Because that's now getting really rocky. It's like pedestrians and two-way tuk-tuks and I don't even know where the fuck we're going. Apparently we can keep going. Oh my god. Are we just like tuk-tuking up the whole thing? Or
No.
Is there a parking somewhere? I have no idea what's going on.
Get ready.
Oh shit, there's some like bumpy bit. I don't know how the tuk-tuk can go on these roads sometimes.
Yeah.
True?
Yeah.
Do you ever like think about it and be like, how do we do this? There are honestly times where I think you're gonna tip it. when you get up here, you pay 500 for a tuk-tuk. So a motorbike and a tuk-tuk's 500, cars, buses, etc. So
this parking is, I think it's the
zip line?
just for tourists, because the normal local tuk-tuk, they have to park outside.
Look at that.
One cute though.
That one's very good. It's got the ears, it's all cute. They're all cute, baby. There's a boy just.
Oh, that's nice. Have a look there.
Yeah, there's like a whole, almost like a little resort bit here.
True. Oh, that's a pool club.
So there's a pool club here. The view looks insane from the pool club. I didn't know this was an option. I would have bought my bathers. It says swimwear available, but look at that. It's so pretty.
I know.
Fuck, I would have bought my bathers. Fucking hell. So angry. I'm so angry.
There you go. You can do a swing.
The swing. So again, is like exactly like with wood.
Yeah. How much is 5,000 again?
5,000. So 1,000 is $5. 5,000, 25. $25 for one swing. You can rent the dresses and like headbands, so you look like her in the photo. For 3,500. Photography, they can take it for you.
You get a drone and for videography as well.
Jeez, they really like.
Yeah.
Like, look at the dresses. They literally made for this, for it to fly around.
The whole production.
Yeah. I mean, people.
There you go. You can see the sample. You can see the zip line over there. You can hear people zipping.
That's cool, huh? It's quite easy so far, this walk.
Yeah.
I think if people, like, you know, when we drove up to Tuk Tuk, I think people who walked down from the bottom, they would have done a lot more.
Yeah.
Like, whereas we kind of like drove halfway.
It's quite flat.
It's a bit of an incline.
Yeah.
This is now very flat. This is like a leisure walk.
How you doing, girl?
I feel the burn on my thighs.
This is the zip line. So that where the zip line started. So the building, tree walk through here, all the way down there. Yeah, that's a good point.
Take this off. This foot is this big, and I have tiny feet. I literally have the smallest feet, and I felt like I was gonna move, like, topple backward.
Yeah, very narrow. Look.
Right?
Yeah.
And you don't have big feet either.
It's actually reminds me of the tiger cave.
That's why I didn't go.
In Thailand. Got some cool coconut.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go up here first.
Yeah. We'll go up here first, so I can finish my coconut.
Yeah.
Then we'll go that way.
And We will go all the way out there.
That second peak looked intriguing, but true to Ella's nature, everything quickly got swallowed by thick clouds. And honestly, that trail looked pretty steep and a bit sketchy to climb up and down. So we gave it a miss. Sometimes knowing when to call it is part of the adventure. Okay, as you can see behind us, the view is gone. The clouds come through. And we're now amongst the clouds, so you can see absolutely nothing. What's the time now? It's like 12:30. So Ella tends to get like cloudy towards the afternoon. So if you really want to get that view, I would say come like early in the morning, when the sky's a lot clearer as well. So you'll be able to see everything. It's very steep here. Yeah. Like there's a bit that goes down. I wouldn't do it. Yeah, I would come like earlier in the morning. This is cool to be amongst it, but you can't really see the view. We caught a glimpse of it before the clouds rolled in. The clouds washing over town.
Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
No? Okay. Not a good boy.
Alright, we are at the car park.
Getting to the most famous bridge was an adventure in itself. There are a few entry points, and honestly, it can be a bit confusing. We actually parked our tuk-tuk at what was called Car Park 2.
Hello. Oof. Literally vertical. Not done yet. Whew.
I believe this is an incorrect entrance. I believe Google Live is a go on the train track, and it doesn't look like that's what you need to do. I'm so interested. But I think the one that's chosen for
Oh, here, this is no.
is it here? Is it track? There's paper.
Let's try, yeah.
Where's the track? What the fuck is that? Where's our lunch?
I guess we keep going that way. Yeah. Yeah, it's just that way. Right.
Our first impression when we finally got there? Well, to be honest, it was a little bit underwhelming. There were lots of people, and because it was quite overcast that day, we didn't really see the full vibrant colours and spectrum of the surroundings.
We found our lunch place. Hello. Thank you. It's nice view, huh? That is the view. And that's when we realized the trains actually stopped right there on the bridge. Not just passing by, but actually stopping to get passengers on and off to take photos. It was such an interesting scene, watching people hop off, take their photos, and then get back on. Alright, what happens?
The monkeys are absolute menace here. So we went down to look at the train. We just had, really, it's our fault. It was our fault. We had a banana in my bag, but I took it out and popped it in my hat, and wrapped it and popped it on the table, thinking we'll have it later. Guess where the look. I saw my hat drop, and I was like, what is that movement? And then I saw a full-ass monkey sitting here, enjoying the banana. Whatever. Enjoy. Made such a mess. Little menace.
So our tip for the 9-arch bridge: don't just come for a quick stop and stay on ground level. Find a spot with an elevated view, grab a drink or a bite, and really take in the scale and the magic, and watch the trains come through.
We want to throw out, and we can warm up like coffee, like tea, like smoking, like this. In Europe you can smoking.
Sri Lanka is the tea capital of the world, and you can't miss the opportunity to experience the tea culture at one of their many tea plantations. We took some time to properly immerse ourselves at the Ella Organic Tea Farm.
In Europe we have very big bees, but in Asia we have very small bees. I can get 2 times bees honey per year, gold, color and hill. We had lot of rain, that's why this one very sour taste. But dry season you can see, you can taste very sweet like sugar. But today I will give you a little bit for you. You can share and you can taste. You can share and you can taste.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. Would you like some mulberries?
Thank you.
Remember how we got the wild mulberry in Greece?
Yes, no mulberry, no special season all year.
Oh, it's out there.
This bottle I add very liquid chemical. It smell like pineapple, ananas. Fruit fly they like this smell. They come inside, but they can't go outside. I no need to spray. Inside we can see black color seeds. Cardamom seeds inside very small black color seeds. Normally we use with peel. We don't need to peel out. With peel we dry and we use. Now can see my garden. Mainly I grow tea. Your favorite tea, we grow like this. Your favorite tea cups, we make using this plant. It want to very baby light color leaves. But it's not like your tea cup. It's very bitter taste like that.
Tea leaves.
Fresh.
You say you can eat it. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, you can work.
I'm scared.
She's doing it right.
But like grass. Very bitter taste. Yes, have a look. Tea tree. This plant.
He's not wrong, Spinner.
You can see one level. One by one, every branch manually by hand. We cut the tree, and especially thereafter this plant, we want to continue our hand level. More important because it is easy to pluck the maximum grow up like this level. This one, it can grow up 20 meters.
Oh, wow.
Thereafter, like this very huge trees, we can't pluck the leaves. That's why more important, once every 5 years, we cut the tree, and thereafter we continue as a grass, as a bush, especially our hand. Tea garden. Fresh leaves without process, I add my tea pot plant. Now we want to add cocoa.
Thank you.
You can smell it.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Simple. And this one, palm sugar.
Palm sugar from that tree. It's like a little nougat.
It's right, let me know.
Yum.
I'll try to taste it.
Oh, yeah. I gotta complete the. Yeah, you can taste it. It's quite. That's got a green tea kind of taste. It's quite light.
We are small farmers. We have no big machine for make dry tea powder. That's why our harvest fresh leaves always we sell to big company called Plantations Limited. Our country we have 23 big company. They have hundreds of tea factories. They make dry tea powder.
So we use this mark to scare the monkey away. Apparently monkeys scared of gorilla. We gotta learn
Yes, have a look. Always
making
take
process.
very baby light color leaves for make dry tea powder, not all dark color one. Manual, by hand. Black tea, more important, this rolling is fresh. Because black tea color, black tea taste depend leaves inside too. Color change to brown color. 2 hours, just 2 hours. Yes. Now you can try this one and you can turn.
fresh grass.
Fresh black.
Thank you.
Yes. Now can see there's a difference. Color change, smell change. Now this one ready to last step. Pure black tea, pure green tea, pure white tea we make like this. Black tea with just bergamot flavor. Black tea with bergamot flavor. World famous. We call Earl Grey. It has different name called Earl Grey, not bergamot black tea. After mixing citrus flavor, bergamot, name different, we call Earl Grey.
because it's hella expensive.
So this black tea, this is green tea, and that's white tea,
Most expensive.
which does look quite a lot. But it's
No, black light.
look at the color.
Oh, yum. I taste the difference in the
Every tea
tea.
is better with that one way. I mean,
Yeah, you can taste the freshness.
Yeah?
yes. Have a look.
Yeah. I can't drink tea
Now
bags
we
ever
can see
again.
There's a green tea.
This is the green tea.
Yes, now we can taste our green tea.
Looks like a alcohol shop. Almost looks like tequila.
Which one?
It smells like the green tea though. Like that nice green tea. So. Oh,
Tastes very green somehow.
yeah.
Look at the color. Reposado.
Oh, that smells really gorgeous.
Smell more like tea now.
Tea, yeah, it smells like the tea that we're used to.
Yeah.
Arabica one, 70% Arabica one, 30% Robusta.
Alright, got your coffee. So they don't filter it here because Sri Lankans don't really drink coffee. They don't really have a processing. How they drink it, if they do, it's just straight into a cup with hot water, and you stir it,
Yes, have a
and then
look.
you let it settle,
In
and
Sri
then you drink.
Lanka, we make a special thing using these two items.
Trying something different today. This is a ginger and coriander seed powder.
It smells so good.
But this is the same.
Oh, it smells excellent.
Yeah, same.
Let's put a spoon of powder in the coffee.
Yeah, ayan eh. No? Ano na yan?
Because I'm not just
Oh, do that. Sorry. You can have a palm sugar with it.
Different.
Different. It's how you want to.
I actually don't mind it.
Only for tasting. Now we can write down.
This is what slow travel is all about, taking the time to understand the story behind the place. The Ella Organic Tea Farm is a must-do if you want to truly connect with the essence of this region. There are many big plantations out there, but it felt good to support a local small business.
There's so many like bars and
Big cafe. It's about to rain a little bit now.
yeah. This is the afternoon rain that you get. You see that cloud come in, and then it starts to rain. Walking again. The rain stopped.
Got some cool boutique shop.
This cafe
Oh,
built the
that's
thing like
cool.
the 9-arch
Yeah,
bridge.
true, hey? Luck Ella, the craft cafe.
Hello.
Alright.
Oh, gym.
Oh, there's gym here. First time I see a gym.
You found the gym.
Yeah. Quite small though. Tiny ass gym.
So much quieter in here, which is
Yeah.
lovely.
Oh, that's the train station. It looks cool.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Let's go
Yeah,
have a look.
it's okay. Let's have a look.
It's very it's definitely very like kind of that postcard
Yeah.
train station of Sri Lanka looking.
Cool bar too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very aesthetic.
It's so pretty. For a train station.
Let's go inside, have a look.
Are you allowed to go inside and have a ticket?
Don't know.
No one can go in there because there's no train right now. So there's train timetables, and then there's times over there, and then like you can see when they come. I'm Kathleen. My name is Kathleen. Kathleen.
That's my one friend.
Hello. Yeah, we've got our YouTube channel. YouTube channel, yeah.
Are you waiting for the train?
What time train come? Oh, so soon. Ah. Oh. Hello. This is our YouTube channel. Can I have a look? You see you in our video?
Hello. Are we on camera?
Hi. Are you waiting for the train?
Yes.
Yeah. Where are you going? Yes. You are. Yeah, me and my husband. And we travel all around the world. Look, we go everywhere. Hi. 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 Say hi. I'm gonna say hi to everyone. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. My name is Kathleen. What's your name?
Emma.
Emma. Nice to meet you.
Where's you from again? Where's you from?
I'm from Australia. How old are you? Everyone's here.
Everyone's here. We got everyone's here.
Look, everyone's
Everyone's here with us. Everyone's for Ella.
You learn English? You like it? Yeah. Hi. You're back. With your glasses. See you in the video, okay? You watch the video? Okay. Okay. Oh, bye. 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 Oh. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Gonna get it. They're so cute.
Play cricket.
Oh, they're playing volleyball. That had got to be the most fun and insane experience we've had with locals when we travel so far, right?
Yeah.
They were just like, I think like Sri Lankans are very intrigued when you see our mic and also our camera. They all want to know like, oh, what you're doing. And like, these kids were so inquisitive. They just all came up. At first it was like 5, next minute it was like 20 people around us.
So, yeah.
They were so lovely as well.
I think they're very curious. They want to ask us a lot of questions, but their English quite limited, so they kind of try to like.
But they were
communicate.
practicing.
Yeah.
They were practicing because the adults, the dad was sort of like telling the kid how to ask a question in English. They're intrigued by what you're doing, and they love telling you how beautiful their country is, which I adore. It was so sweet.
Yeah.
That was so beautiful.
Our time in Ella truly surprised us. Yes, the hikes were amazing, the 9 Arch Bridge is iconic, but turns out the best part of Ella weren't even on the itinerary. Who knew getting lost at the train station could be the highlight of our trip? Sri Lankans are very genuine and friendly, and we definitely felt this during our 1-month stay here. What's your favorite kind of travel surprise? Finding a hidden gem or a local encounter? Share with us in the comments.
Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Ella. Until next time, keep exploring and keep connecting.